Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts, here to answer the question that we get often. Am I covered for a water damage claim for my kitchen? And the biggest thing that insurances will cover and what they're looking for is a sudden burst, a sudden cause. In this particular kitchen flood out, as you can see if you come closer, this was a hot supply line and this ruptured. So this is considered a sudden burst, which happened underneath this sink right here. It blew, water got inside this island. It actually went all over the floors, inside the walls. So one of the most important things that you can do in order to get proper insurance coverage, make sure you have the right plumber or leak detection expert, find the source and document, take photos. Because this is one of the things that the adjuster is going to look for, is to make sure what was the cause. All right, so now let's go over a few things that you're not covered for, and that is long-term damage or deterioration. So if there's a pipe inside of a wall that's been deteriorated and leaking and seeping, causing damage, more than likely you're not going to get covered. The other misconception as well is the coverage for plumbing. Most homeowners policies will not cover any plumbing. Again, going back to this particular situation, the cost of a plumber putting this back in is not going to be covered, or a cost of replacing the pipe. But gaining access to a sudden burst is most of the time covered. Now, let's go over some of the things that you're covered for in a kitchen, and that's going to be strictly damages. What did this water cause damage to? For example, walls that are wet, that needs to get opened up, disposed. Is putting the drywall back and painting it back to its original state. Baseboards, all of that gets covered. Depending on the situation, in this particular situation, we're sitting on plywood with glued down linoleum. So all of that flooring, you do get coverage for. As far as the cabinetry, if we look at the bottom of this island right here, you're going to see that there's water stains where the wood actually absorbed and caused damage to the cabinet. That gets covered. So it's pretty much anything that's damaged in your kitchen is what you're going to get coverage for. If you're having a difficult time getting coverage and you're just not seeing eye to eye with the adjuster, one of the things that I can encourage you to do is you might want to consider hiring a public adjuster. Those type of experts really know your policy better than anybody. You hire them, they do take a commission on the back end, but they will help represent you through the entire process if it's a little overwhelming. That's also a really good tip in the event that you need some support or help. Anyhow, folks, hopefully this gave you some insight on how to get insurance coverage for your kitchen. As always, thanks for watching.